Alright guys, well, we are on a boat right now.
And we're going fast.
And then, yeah, the land is all the way down there. We can't see anything.
We're at least
7 miles away from land.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 214 Metallica here.
I think if we go a little farther, we could be in international water.
214 Metallica here. He caught a mackerel, a Spanish mackerel, and he got 20 other fish. Keeping them all.
How big do you think?
Like 2 feet? Yeah, 2-3 feet mackerel. Then, yeah, I'm over here catching 7 fish. Able to keep 3 or 4. Alright.
What day in Florida today?
Yep, Florida.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's still Florida.
Yeah, Key West. Unless we're like.
Try Cuba.
Cuba's like right down there. Or no, that's Cuba right over there. Yeah, so this is our rods. 204 Metallica.
So many fish. We only get to keep like I only get to keep like 8 of them, 9 of them.
The mackerel's definitely
including the mackerel.
Then yeah, a guy hooked onto a bird.
Pretty funny. Well, it's kind of sad.
It was kind of funny because the bird had a fish in his mouth, and that was the fish that he had hooked onto. But then when he bit it, he squished the fish, so the mouth opened and the hook came out and it hooked onto the bird. But yeah, guys. Alright guys, this is Black Shadow 300 and 214 Metallica. Us fishing alive. Alright guys, bye.